Alright, I'm approaching the machine here, so I'm just going to hitch it up. Just check I'm in neutral first. Yep. So we're in the transport position. I'm going to switch it into the active position, so now I can use this wheel. And I'm just turning the wheel down, so you can kind of see the picture there. You've got the arm and the ground there at the bottom. So this is up, and as I dial it down, my arms will start to drop. So I'm going to go down to probably quite low, maybe all the way actually. Just so I can sort of line it up. And I'm going to bring it in. Oh, I'm going to go a tiny bit higher because that's pulling it apart. Come on, up you come. Sorry, it's probably not the most interesting thing to watch. There we go. So I'm going to pop everything in neutral now. I'm going to drop my loader down. And I'm going to hop out with the engine going. Oop. Bring it a little further back. There we go. About that. Cool. So, everything's in neutral. My loader's down. There's nobody around. I'm getting out of here, I'm getting some balls and some pins. Oh, it's noisy there, isn't it? And I'm coming around to the back because you can operate the link from the rear position here. So we've got two buttons, we've got a lifty uppy and a droppy downy. Although I think they've used the same button. They have, yes, they've used the same button. That's definitely the down. I mean, if in doubt, you can press it. That's definitely up. And that's down. So I'm going to put the pin and the balls in, and then we'll try and lift it up and get it in the right spot. So I'm around the other side now. I've got my pin and my ball. So I'm going to pop the. I'm going to hold the camera here. I'm going to try and wedge it on the top there. So, put my ball in. Put the pin through the middle. Put the finger muncher on the other side. So now the ball is just riding in there, and this, we're just going to pull this up and back like that, which just opens up that cavity there. So when this comes up, it'll just catch that ball. So I'm going to press the button now, lift it up. Up is that one. There we go. Now we can drop this in. Same on the other side. And now our two lower links are in. So I'm going to switch the engine off and we'll do the top link. So I'm back around the original side. I've got my top link pin there. And we're going to use the top link. So this one, pretty similar to the other one. Although, hang on. Oh yeah. Sorry. I should have figured this out before. So, similar to these little ones here, there's a ball kind of stuck within it. You can just use the whole thing and just sort of place it in, like you would a normal top link. I'm going to take the ball out first, and I'm going to do it in the same way as the other one. So, I need kind of two hands with this, so I'm just going to pause it. I'm going to pull this lever here down like that, and it'll release the ball. There we go. So, pulled it down. Here's the ball here. I'm going to pop the top link pin through. I've just dropped my snappy pin. Pop the top link pin through, put the ball on. Sorry, this is a two-hand job. Put the ball in like that. Snappy pin in. And I'm going to release the top link from its little clip here. So it's this little one here. I'm going to push it in. Again, it's a two-hand job because I need to hold that when I push that in, otherwise it's going to drop my head. So push that in, push that bit in, grab the top link, and we'll bring it down onto there. So I've unclipped it. There's my top link. Oh, that's super heavy. All right, it's a little bit long, so I'm just going to shorten it with that. Same as usual. I can start like that. Oh, that's super greasy. I want to wear gloves for this for sure. Wash your hands after anyway. Ugh. I'm going to pause now because I've got to wind it quite a long way. All right, I'm getting there. Nearly there. Going to keep twisting this away. we are in the right spot. It's dropped in onto the ball, so I'm just going to push that back down. And it has grabbed on, and that's not coming free. Now if we need to adjust it, we can just carry on twisting away with that. But I think I'm happy with that, apart from the filth on my hands. And now we're pretty much ready to lift it up and drive off. There's obviously your side adjustments here, so you can adjust the arms here. I'm going to take this machine straight off again, so I'm not going to do that. So yes, that's how you put a 3-point linkage machine on. When you want to drive off, you can either just flick it straight into transport mode and it will lift it up, or you'll have to start in transport mode, which will lift it. But once you're in transport mode, you can go back to the other mode and dial it into whatever height you need. So that's how you put a machine on.